the Conservatives were doing well till December, till Trump came in.
Yeah.
Then Trump comes in and he says what he had to say. That was like Ajay ji said, God sent for Carney. Otherwise, Carney kahan? Poliv was winning.
Yeah, but see...
Everything was going right for them.
No, see,
but also, Carney has gone to a Gurdwara last week for Baisakhi. He went.
Yeah, but notice
he
the
did
photos.
that. He went for that. Poliv gaya tha ki nahi gaya tha?
नहीं, वो नहीं गया.
I don't think वो गया.
See, so there are 4-5 things you have to look at it. Yes, Trump has played a significant role, but Pierre Poilievre's voting percentage has not dropped. He's still 5 percentage points up from the last federal election.
But he hasn't specified what his view, at least till the first debate, at end of first debate, he's not specified what he's going to do as far as the tariffs and the Trump positioning is concerned. He's not making it very clear.
He's not, right? That's the problem with the Conservative
But it's
Party.
literally become that, right? Canadians are going to vote the next prime minister or the next party based on how they're going to deal with America.
So let's look at the larger view of what Canada is as a society. In my experience, Canada is a largely left-leaning society, in my opinion. Most Canadians lean left. Even the Canadian Conservative Party is not really right-wing. They are very centrist in most of their views. So in a largely left-leaning society, when a person like Donald Trump comes, add to that a significant chunk of Canadian identity, honestly, and especially of the Canadian left, is we're not America. And here comes an American president.
ये उनकी identity है.
One of the factors. I'm not saying it's the only factor.
Okay.
One of the significant factors is we're not America. We're different. Yes, we have a very good neighbor down south. We have nice relations with them. When Trump started trolling them, and he did what he did, the Canadian left rallied behind their left-wing party. They dumped NDP. See, the reason Pierre was so comfortably ahead was, aap samjho, I mean, in NDP was like a vote cutter that time, right? NDP was splitting the left-wing vote. Now the left-wing vote is getting consolidated, so the Liberals are looking very good.
So then he's right in saying that the NDP doesn't matter anymore. Then
The
in this
NDP
election.
in this election,
तो वो
they
vote
don't
कटुआ
matter.
नहीं है.
Right, अभी नहीं होएगा. वो वही हो रहा है. And Trump has basically consolidated the left-wing vote. What is very interesting is even Maxime Bernier, the People's Party, last federal election, he had 5% votes. He's also down from 5% to less than 2%
So it's
in all
literally a
polls.
referendum on which way are you going to fight Trump.
Yes, that both sides are fighting Trump. Even Pierre
Also it's Canadian अस्मिता का सवाल है.
हाँ पता नहीं काय की अस्मिता मगर ठीक है. But see, where I disagree with him is, yes, the election is being made about Trump, because now recently there was Sam Cooper shared that. Sam Cooper is a respected Canadian journalist. He said how the Chinese Communist Party actually wants this thing about Trump to remain, to be a significant part, because that's apparently working, because allegedly the Chinese Communist Party has deep investments in the Liberal Party of Canada. I mean, you have to follow the work of Sam Cooper and the Bureau. It's brilliant work. I mean, I am a subscriber, so I follow Sam's work, and it's very interesting how the politics works out.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.